Dr. Sam, a board-certified plastic and reconstructive surgeon. Today we're going to talk about abdominoplasty, or tummy tucks. What is a tummy tuck? It's a very common procedure where we come to help reduce the waistline as well as improve a lot of that excess tissue. At the same time, we do some work on the musculature, so if someone has a diastasis or a weakening or separation of the rectus muscles, which is very, very common in women that have undergone pregnancy. And by doing so, we tighten that musculature. So how do we commonly do this? We're going to come over to our technology for a sec. So the standard incision, we go from hip to hip and we dissect in a triangle pattern. So someone's ribs are up here. We do not want to dissect underneath in this area, but this will be enough to show us the musculature. So these are our rectus muscles. As part of the procedure, we look all the way up to the xiphoid process, or just where the chest starts. And we come through and we'll actually run all the way and tighten this muscle in this fashion. By doing so, we're going to reduce the waistline and allow for removal of more extra skin. So all of this extra skin will end up pulled down, and oftentimes we'll end up repositioning the belly button. So when we're done, we get a nice tighter abdomen, and at the same time get rid of that laxity in the musculature, giving someone a nicer and tighter waistline. So in doing so, the incision will lay below. We'll often have removed the belly button and placed it in a new place, and this will be our suture line. Often there will be two drains that come out of here. What are drainage tubes? These connect to little bulbs and help prevent fluid from building up on the inside here to really help everything heal well. One of our favorite things to do at this part of the procedure is we'll combine with liposuction to help get improved contour. But we have a special medication called Exparel. This is a long-lasting numbing medication we actually inject into the muscles and along the entire area. Our patients don't have pain for 3 days. So this has been fantastic new development, is this medication, because it limits everyone's use of narcotics, which end up leaving patients feeling worse than the actual surgery because they get constipated, they can't eat anything, they're nauseated. That's almost completely eliminated with the use of Exparel. So this is one of our favorite procedures to do, mine in particular, because of the amazing outcome people have afterwards. Very little side effects from this surgery or bad things that can happen. In particular, they can be wound healing complications, and having these tubes are just not fun for most people, which we understand. We do our best to remove them as soon as possible. They typically stay for about 1 to 3 weeks, depending on how much fluid is coming out. But if you or a loved one has any questions, feel free to contact us. We're here for you.